Photo reading and personal development helps you shorten the learning curve. One of the most precious human resources is time. It is infinite and we almost can't buy more of it. Photo reading and accelerated learning saved me hundreds of hours per year, which is one reason I can produce so many workshops, events, webinars, social media posts, blogs, news, TV, radio, newspaper, magazine, and media pieces. What you produce will be unique to you. It might be projects, marketing plans, accounts, essays, dissertation notes, strategy reports, fill in the blank. Whatever it is you need to read, learn, assimilate, absorb, and/or produce, photo reading can help you get it done faster, better, and in less time. The photo reading whole mind system has been around since 1985, and Marilyn Devonish has been a certified photo reading instructor for over 22 years, having completed her photo reading instructor training with Dr. Paul Scheel, the creator of photo reading, in March 2002. Best of all, it is less than 3 days of your time and a minimal investment when I compare it to what I've spent on courses over the years, some of which were all fluff and no substance. The way I sum it up is that photo reading goes way beyond reading and teaches skills you can use in all areas of your life for the rest of your life, regardless of your age, industry, learning style, or past experiences. If you've got an open mind and a willingness to learn, join us for the next live class.